Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I was so bad. Who do I think I am shopping like this? I always tell James when he sees me with a Sephora, whatnot, I'm like, you know, this is my job. This is for beauty research. This is so that people know we must try the new goods. And boy, oh boy, did I buy everything. Ooh, I got like so many fun little minis. Literally, if I told you guys how many points I have, you would croak. Oh, holy, where do we start? I think it's important to note that it is holiday season and there's a lot of new, but there are a lot of holiday limited editions that we must investigate. YSL was at the front of the store and I could not resist. Look at that. We have blush, we have highlight, and you guys know the YSL blush that I have one shade of. I'm not on their PR list, so I went and I bought one. The formula is to die for, so I'm hoping it's the same formula. Ugh, I cannot wait to try. I also got the lippies, like the full collection. How gorgeous. Like aesthetically, I want these on display. These are the prettiest glosses I think that I have ever seen. This component just speaks to me. It's like jewelry, decoration, but also a fabulous lip oil that plumps. I love the smell of it. I love everything about it. The doe foot applicator. Yes, I'm so excited for these. I was gonna wait for the review, but I just kind of feel like I just need like a little, yes. YSL does lips so well. Speaking of lips, Saie has lip liners that never pulled me in. I don't know how new these are, but they're new to me. I got two shades, Twist and Wink. This is Wink. Oh my gosh, it looks just like Wherever Walnut. I keep buying the same color over and over like a maniac, but I don't care. It's my thing and it's not gonna change. The fact that I think the shade Twist is dangerous and outside of my comfort zone is kind of hysterical, but let me show you. It's a little dark for me, but I kind of want to play. I had to. This was a non-negotiable. I had to get this, even though the internet is a little bit divided on whether this is worth the money, whether it is good. Is it really that ethereal? Is it giving us nature, which this is the new makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Nature. This looks really beautiful to me. It has a lot of colors that I would gravitate toward, and I'm gonna give it a go. I love the Mario formula for eyes. I reach for his palettes all of the time, and I'm really excited to try this one. I have a weird thing with believing that mini mascaras are better than the full tube. A lot of you guys agree with me, and the theory is that they don't dry out as quickly because you're using it for less amount of time. I don't know if that's it. I just always feel like whenever I have these freaking little minis, they last a really long time, first off, but for some reason the brush is like loaded up differently. I swear it's not in my head. I'll get back to you on the ones I haven't tried before. Why did I buy this? I literally almost didn't. I stood there and I was like, do I need this? Like, do I need this? This was more me being review Tati and being like, I need to try this on the face. I want to talk about it, test it, because the highlighter in here did not swatch well, but this is super cute. This is new from Too Faced. It looks like a little storybook. If we can open it, oh my God. I feel like it's scented. It smells like not sweets, but not floral. What is that? It smells good. I didn't know it was scented. I kind of don't love that. You get a really nice mirror in here and you get a cream blush, a highlighter, and are we calling these both blushes right here? I'm kind of having buyer's remorse right now. This is the Fairytale Crush palette. I'm gonna have to get back to you. Also, do we love the makeup or do we hate the makeup today? Because she went in. Ever since my brushes launched, I'm having nostalgia. And I'm going back in a time machine and doing like big like makeup. And it's like when I'm blending, I'm sitting here and literally this was me today. I was just like zoned out and like, oh my God, like what am I doing? More, you need more. And of course, I had to go down memory lane and visit an old, beloved, very expired palette, but I'm not gonna die, I don't think. And it looks nice, right? It's a little loud, but I kind of love it. Back to the haul. From ILIA, we have the Ethereal Baked Face palette. I love how this looks. That was my first thought. I was like, this is aesthetically pleasing. This is really nice. Kind of looks like a banana or like a remote control, but for some reason I find it like futuristic and I like it. Wow. If you guys knew So I have this condition, I'm gonna call it a condition, where really bad humor enters my brain space and I think of songs when I see a name that rhymes with something in a song. And literally in my head, as I'm sitting here talking to you, reviewing makeup, I was like, the fate of ILIA, which is a dumb joke. It makes no sense at all. But I just wanted to welcome you into the ever active brain patterning that I have. It's been a long day, but that song is stuck in my head. For those of you that were very concerned that I didn't like The Life of a Showgirl, I want to update you. I don't like some of it, but I love other parts of it. And that's okay. Like, we're allowed to have an opinion on makeup, on music. It doesn't mean that I like personally am like, I hate Taylor Swift. Like, oh my gosh, people are being so weird picking one side or another. It's tripping me out. Anyway, back to the makeup. Look at this. It has everything you need. And they're all just like gonna be that veil kind of a product. Like when you don't want too much makeup like this is like great for vacation. I'm really excited to try this. This is their holiday palette. I got this instead of Hourglass this year. I was toying between the two, but I have so many of the holiday Hourglass palettes that I was like, let's change it up. How cute is this from Fenty? Just like the packaging and everything with the neon feel. I love Fenty lips, Fenty lip gloss. This was under $25 and I think it's really cute. Ooh, oh, I am so overjoyed and excited about this one, you guys. Stop it. Every year, like I'm like so into these holiday highlights from Dior. Look at this one. Stop. It's peachy, it's gorgeous. I love these highlights. Going in with my Details by Tati SP4 highlighter brush that is perfect for this kind of highlight because it just, do you see how that hugs my cheek? Let's go ahead and pick up a little of these peachy golden shades and just amp up what I already have on. Yes, yes, yes. More is more. This is bordering into shower makeup where it's like the end of the day and I'm like, let's just pile it all on. You know what? If it doesn't look good, it's gonna wash off. It's okay. I wanna give you permission, like big sister advice. Wear the makeup. Risk having a bad makeup day to learn what works for you and what doesn't. Sometimes going in with a heavier hand is a good thing because you're gonna figure it out and not be so afraid to try a new technique. And if you are afraid to try a new technique, try it at home at the end of the day. I swear. It's one of the ways that I taught myself how to do my own makeup on my own face. And the way to get better is practice, practice, practice. All right, Givenchy is coming in hot with bronzer. I got 2 shades and I could not be more excited because you guys know how I feel about Givenchy pressed powders. They are gorgeous. There's no patchiness, no skipping, and I am so excited to try these out. I want to save these to use as a first impressions. Stay tuned, we're 5 days a week now, so there's more room to play. I also picked up a new item from ISAMAYA. You guys know I love the primer so much. I'm obsessed completely. It's like one of the best. I normally do not like these kind of products. This is a metallic lippy, but I swatched it in the store and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here for you guys. And it just looked so beautiful. It's metallic, but somehow smooth and elevated, and it just spoke to me. Dare we try it right now a little bit in the center? It does not match the vibe, but the way that I would use an item like this, I would kind of get whatever gloss is going on, get it off, go in the center, and kind of blend it out. We don't need to be like full 80s, like getting it absolutely everywhere. Can you imagine how pretty this would be with the right eye? It has a little bit of a grit, but not terrible. I have to say every other metallic item that I have tried for lips, I just immediately, the texture gives me an ick and it looks too separatey, chunky, patchy, and way too 80s. This has like the nicest shade to it. Like it's not neon pink 80s. You know what I'm saying? And this is the shade LM11. Actually really like that. We've got holiday sets, you guys. I'm gonna be breaking these down in another video. I'm so excited about their holiday sets this year. They're actually so good. I literally was like, which one do I wanna get? And normally I'll pick like 1 or 2, but this year I got 4 because I could not decide. And they're such a good value. This one is the holiday lip kits. It is a $148 value for 52 bucks. A lot of really great lip products in here. Holiday must-haves, like has some of my favorite products in here. It's a $229 value for 69 bucks. Then we have the Cozy and Clean. It's a $158 value for 54. And I even like the bags that they come in. Like they're such sizable, nice quality makeup bags. Like I even am drawn in by that. We also have the Glitz and Glam. This one is a $136 value for 49 bucks. I think these will go fast. I think that this is like such a great gift this year. I was super, super impressed. They have more than this too. Like they have more. This is not it. There you have it. Everything new at Sephora. Let me know what you want to see reviewed first. I love hearing from you, so leave those comments and do me a favor. Take a moment to like the video if you enjoyed that. It always helps me out so much. Other than that, go have a great day, whatever you are doing, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.